ONEcount's content recommendation engine uses artificial intelligence, or AI, to help publishers and media companies increase audience engagement, website page views, and average time on site. Recommending relevant content keeps users on site longer, resulting in higher impressions and conversions. The platform's content recommendation engine suggests content based on a publisher's choice of 1 to 5 algorithms, such as popular content within a range of time, new content published within a recent period of time, content with similar topics to the current article, content other users engaged with who have similar behavior to the user, content consumed by users similar to them. Each algorithm can be prioritized by weighing the algorithm. The look and feel of the front-end content recommendation widget can be customized. ONEcount allows for custom headings, fonts, colors, and sizes to match the theme of different web properties. Publishers can set up any number of content recommendation algorithms for various websites and different sections of sites. Analytics for each content recommendation algorithm are reported within ONEcount to monitor clicks and get insights on performance.